Okay, I'm back. It's your boy Job Gameplay here, and I'm going to make a random squad builder for ya. Today, as you see, we are going to make a squad in the formation 3-4-3-3. What we're supposed to do is to take on the burner maximum price of 1000, and we are going to buy the first player which comes up. But first we have to take on the formation 4-3-3, and the first position is the goalkeeper. Let's see who comes up. I'm going to bury the first player anyway, who it is. Let's see. Okay, it's Anders Lindegaard. Let's bury Anders Lindegaard. Okay, now it's the left back, and on the left back we have Askarsley Beast. Yeah. In centre backs it is Morero San Siro. Oh. And Kaya. Kaya is actually a girl name here in Norway, so it's pretty fun to know by someone who is a girl, which actually is a boy. So yes, this team will be sick. Oh my fucking god. It's time for Thompson from Swindon Town. And on the central midfielders, we're going to be the 3 first players. Jovenel. Oh. Oh. Let's buy Andrea. What the? Okay, what is happening now? Okay, I have to go to unassigned. Store all in club. And now we will keep on buying players. I didn't know about that, but it's my mistake. I'm a pretty retard, I know. Let's buy him. Wheelhouse. And come on no. Now you have to go to the unassigned again, or not you but me, and let's hope we get 3 good players in the end, because so far the team is shit. So yeah, it can't get any worse. Yes, but that's life, you know. George Henrique, a very good player. And then we buy a left winger. Utaka. Now it's time for the striker of the team. McGoldrick. Oh yeah. Now we are going to the active squad, and now we're going to make the squad. In goal we have Lindegaard. 2 center backs is Kaya and Moreo San Siro. And on the right back, you know, we have our boy Thompson Beast. On our left back we have Eckersley. On the central midfielders we have Andreasen. And Common and Wheelhouse, yes. I don't think I will do that. As you see, team is shit. Okay, what? Oh, no. I know what I did wrong. I have to go to unassigned. Yes, I want to save. And then I start rolling club. And now we actually have the team, guys. On the left wing we have a Taco with the pace. On our striker we have McGoldrick with the forehead. And on the right wing we have George Enrique with the Forza skills. I think this is a very good team. Okay. Here is the team, guys. In goal we have Lindegård, Kaya 75 pace, Eckersley 71 pace, Morero, yes, enough said, Thompson 67 pace, Common beast, Wheelhouse 54 pace, Andreasen 55 pace, Utaka with 89 pace, ladies and gentlemen. He has the pace, he has the shooting, he has the passing, he has the dribbling, he has the heading. He's a complete left winger, you know. McGoldrick, a beast with 76 pace, 60 heading, and 50 passing and 60 shooting. And our right wing, you know, we have George Enrique, the 4-star skiller Brazilian from Corinthians. He's a beast. And at the same time we should buy some packs, because I'm rich, and you know, rich people have to buy packs. So we're going to buy a premium silver pack, and we will get some beastie stuff. Okay, now a golden ball, now a goalkeeper, now a pack. And we get Diego Anton from CD Numanica and Kove Korczarek. And that's it for this pack. And we're going to buy another one because I'm rich. Store Rolling Club. Let's buy another one, guys. I have another, you know, another I'm from Norway and I suck to talk English, so I have like another user, or what you would call it, which has about 400k, but I'm getting my Legato in about 4 days, and then I'm going to make proper episodes. This was just a little taste of what you can expect to see from me. So thanks a lot. And let's talk again sooner. Bye bye everybody. I love you.